Hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, back at you. All right, so we finished the veggie raised garden bed. There we go. So we got some marigold in there, Cubano sweet peppers, Okinawa spinach, Cuban oregano in there. We got some katuk. We got some centrella. We have some other peppers over there. We have some ever-bearing tomatoes. We have some little cherry tomatoes, and we have some grape tomatoes. And I also went ahead and put some lemongrass in there, because you know me, I don't like snakes. Lemongrass. Snakes don't like lemongrass, so there we go with that. So yeah, and you see, we went ahead and put, if you look up right there, so we went ahead and put that filtered shade on there. The sunlight will go through there, but it won't burn, you know, like the Florida sun burns right through. So we went ahead and put that shade cloth. And what the hubby did was, the other one that we had, he took the piece and just wrapped it around. So we still have, you know, some little bit of shade here. So you still have a little bit of shade here, but it's still open enough in the front, in the back, and in the top to where they can go ahead and get their sunlight, their filtered sunlight, right? Because straight Florida sun just burns it up. So we want to go ahead and have that filtered sunlight. So yeah, so me and the hubby worked on this. It took us 2 days, and we used the peat moss right here. This type of peat moss. I think it was like 19 something at Lowe's, and we used some garden soil, some what you call it, raised bed garden soil, peat moss. We used some grass clippings and some cardboard boxes. Yes. So here we go. This is the bed, and I'm happy with this. And that's going to be it for the projects as far as back here, as far as the hard stuff. All the hard stuff is done. So now basically I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enjoy my garden. And I still have 2 spots right here where I can put something over here in those 2 spots. But the flowers are looking kind of crazy right now, the veggies, because they just get in the pot and they're getting in the, I'm just putting them in the bed. So I'm quite sure they're shocked and they'll have to rebound. But, you know, they'll do what they do, and if they don't, I'll put some in there that will. Okay? So hopefully you're having a blessed day and you are enjoying the rest of your afternoon. Have a good day. Goodbye.